Ever wondered how AI reads brainwaves? In this demo, I'll show you a modular EEG classification pipeline built on the HMS Kaggle dataset, where deep learning meets neuroscience. We fused EfficientNet and ResNet GRU to decode spectrograms with over 90% accuracy, and used GradCAM to reveal exactly what the model sees. Plus, it's all wrapped in a slick Streamlit dashboard, interactive, visual, and client-ready. Whether you're into AI, healthcare, or just curious how machines interpret brain signals, this walkthrough is for you. Let's dive in.